Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making a DIY journal diary using just basic craft supplies. The first thing that you need is paper. I'm using a very thick paper here. You can use A4 sheets. Fold this in half and make as many of these as you like. Once you're done, we need to glue the edges of all these pages. In order to hold these pages together while I'm gluing, I'm using these clips. I'm using this B7000 glue. Once you've applied the glue, keep it aside, let it dry. The glue is now dry. As you can see, it's almost like a book. Now we need to make a cover for this book. To make the cover, we'll need waste cardboard. As for the measurements, it's the same as the book, just a little extra at the edge. And we need a strip. It's the same height as the book. For the width, it depends on the thickness of the book that you have made. I'm cutting a small piece of oval shape at the center. Use any kind of color paper. I'm using a crepe paper here to cover the cardboard. You can use any kind of paper, any color paper, or you can also make your own design. Place the cardboard pieces on the crepe paper as shown and glue it all together. I'm cutting a small piece of oval shape at the center. This is just for the design purpose. It's optional. Once you've done this, we've covered the front of the cardboard piece. Now let's cover the back of it with the same paper that we've used to make the pages. You can use any kind of paper. Book cover is now ready. For a little extra protection, you can use any small piece of paper length of the book. The width will be around 4 to 5 centimeter. Glue this onto the edge of the book. Now let's glue our book onto its cover. Now let it dry. As you can see, our aesthetic DIY journal diary is ready. The front looks a little plain to me, so I'm going to decorate it now. Like I mentioned before, one of the best parts of a handmade book or a journal is that you can customize it according to your liking with whatever you have at hand and get creative with it. I'm making a cute heart pattern and using some beads and mirrors and a cute paper butterfly. Here's our final look. It looks so pretty. I don't know, it just gives fairy vibe, magical, whimsical. I hope the step-by-step detailed tutorial of making of a DIY journal book was helpful. As I mentioned in the beginning, this DIY journal diary is super easy to make, is budget friendly because it just requires some basic craft supplies like paper, scale, glue, waste cardboard. It's functional, useful. You can use it as a junk journal, as a personal diary, as a sketchbook, anything that you like. You can personalize it, customize it according to your liking with whatever you have at hand. Honestly, this is the first time I'm trying journaling, so I'll be making a lot more DIYs related to journaling, like DIY journal supplies, stickers, and a lot more. So stay tuned. If you want to steal some cute DIY room decor ideas, then check out these videos. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Bye.